Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to use our latest functions to add and format text within pins and text boxes. To add text into a pin, you first select a pin from the gallery and place it onto the map. By selecting the pin, the bubble automatically opens. To edit the content of the bubble, you can press the pen icon. This directly opens the editor where you have the possibility to add and format text. It is also possible to edit the text using the MSS symbol editor. In this case, you open the editor and select Free Format Text. The same mechanism works for text boxes. Here, it's only possible to add and change text via the free format text editor within the MSS symbol editor. If you have any questions regarding the latest version of map.army, or if you have ideas how we can improve the web application, don't hesitate to contact us via our user forum. A link to the forum can be found in the description of this video.